In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make this rich and creamy chocolate ganache. Chocolate ganache is a sturdier alternative to buttercream that I've used to create cakes for competitions in the past. Be sure to stay until the end when I'll reveal the 3 advantages of using chocolate ganache over chocolate buttercream. If you're new to my channel and want to learn more about cake decorating, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Now let's get started. Making chocolate ganache requires only 2 ingredients. I'm using milk chocolate chips made by Ghirardelli. The other ingredient is heavy whipping cream. The exact quantities for these ingredients are listed in the description below. First, I pour the chocolate chips into a bowl. I'm using a glass bowl, but a stainless steel or ceramic bowl works just as well. Next, after measuring out my whipping cream, I pour it into a saucepan. With my cooktop set to medium-high heat, I bring the cream to a rolling boil. Like milk, cream has a tendency to boil over, so keep an eye on it to avoid a big mess. Next, I pour the boiling cream over the chocolate chips and gently whisk the cream and chocolate mixture together until it's smooth. As you can see, the ganache is very soft and thin. Once the ganache cools slightly, this will be the perfect consistency for pouring over or dipping your baked treats. If you're planning to ice or frost your cake with ganache, you'll want to place plastic wrap directly on top of it like so, and allow it to sit at room temperature for several hours to thicken. I like to make my ganache the day before I need it. As the ganache sits, it will harden and may become very thick, like this white chocolate ganache. If this is the case, you simply transfer the ganache to a microwave-safe bowl and microwave it for 5 seconds at a time to gently soften the ganache to a spreadable consistency. So think creamy peanut butter. If you would like to try making white chocolate ganache, I show you how in this video. And if you're ready to take your cake decorating skills to the next level, check out my Cake Decorating Beginner's Guide, which is linked in the description below. So you may be wondering, why would I use chocolate ganache instead of chocolate buttercream on my cake? Well, first, you will need all of these ingredients to make chocolate buttercream. Remember, ganache only requires 2 ingredients, the chocolate and the cream. Second, chocolate ganache hardens at room temperature, and this means that you don't need to refrigerate it to make it set to your cake. This makes it a perfect choice for cakes that require a little extra stability. And third, and most important for those living in a more hot and humid climate, chocolate ganache, especially dark chocolate ganache, tends to hold up much better than buttercream, which would melt in a hot and humid climate. The ratio of chocolate to cream for dark chocolate ganache is listed in the description below. Notice that this differs slightly from the milk chocolate ganache. So give it a try and let me know in the comments what you think and how you may use chocolate ganache in the future. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button below. For more cake decorating tips and tutorials, subscribe to my channel. As always, thanks for watching.